Today I'm going to show you how to set a shadow for a chart in the Keynote app. First, we have to open up the app, and here we already have a document with a chart inside of it. From here we just click on the chart, and then under the chart section in the right side we have shadow. We click on shadow, then we click on this toggle list, and let's say we select individual series, select the visible color, and yeah, this should be working, but for some reason it doesn't show anything like this. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.